Friends, electrochemistry topic, and up till now whatever we have studied, we started with electrolysis and now almost we have covered galvanic cells. Okay, now I have few interesting questions for you. You are expected to solve this. You can send on my on our WhatsApp group or on my personal WhatsApp number, and after a gap of maybe 2 days I will explain and you will get the answer. But I am confident that you will be, up till now whatever I have taught, on the basis of that you should be able to answer this. Just I have written the questions and just a bit I will explain. I have not completely written the zinc half cell coupled with copper half cell standard conditions, means routine Daniell cell, 1 molar zinc ion concentration, 1 molar, okay, copper ion concentration, copper sulfate, molar concentration 1 molar, and zinc rod, okay, zinc rod, this is copper rod, zinc is connected to copper by externally wire galvanometer, and salt bridge representative I will write, salt bridge is used. Now this is a Daniell cell standard conditions, and under standard conditions the moment we start the EMF standard conditions E0 cell, as we know it is 1.1 volt. Okay, now when will the cell stop working? Means now it has started. This one is anode, this one is cathode, flow of electrons, and at what moment, when will the cell, once it has started, it will stop at a certain stage. When that will happen means when the EMF of the cell will become 0 volt. Okay, that is one question. And is it possible under certain conditions, that under certain conditions means not standard, certain conditions means not standard, different. Now concentration point of view we have to think, because the temperature point of view, temperature keeping 298 Kelvin, that factor we have fixed as far as 12th and all exams is concerned. So under certain conditions means for certain concentrations, is it possible under certain conditions that copper half cell will work as anode and zinc as cathode? In Daniell cell, under standard conditions, zinc half cell works as anode, oxidation half cell reaction, this works as cathode, that we know. Whether the reverse is possible for certain conditions, copper half cell works as anode and zinc half cell will work as cathode, whether it is possible or not, and if possible then what should be the conditions you have to answer. In one more question I have designed here, zinc half cell is coupled with zinc half cell, but here the two zinc half cells means same half cells, zinc rod dipped in solution of zinc ions, means for example let it be zinc sulfate aqueous solution, and zinc rod dipped in solution of free zinc ions, means zinc rod dipped in solution of aqueous solution of zinc sulfate. The only thing is that it is not standard, conditions are not standard, okay, not standard. Temperature we have decided to keep constant 298 Kelvin, therefore means here it is given something else, it is not 1 molar, it is not 1 molar, it is different, it can be 1.2 molar, it can be 0.9 molar, it can be 1.3 molar, it can be 0.6, anything different, and which one is greater or smaller, even that I have not mentioned. If the two zinc half cells, not under standard conditions, if they are connected, means externally by wire, okay, galvanometer, and internally by salt bridge, if they are connected with different concentrations, they are not standard, that is one thing, but different concentrations. Here the concentration of zinc ions is different from here, okay, whether the cell is possible, so these are the questions and you have to solve this. Okay, very interesting. And as far as our NEET, MST CET, JEE is concerned, whatever up till now we have studied, the topic is yet not complete, we should be able to answer, and I will explain it, no doubt. Thank you.